third place for doubles?
Yeah.
No, unfortunately, just because not enough people entered.
Right.
There wasn't even enough for fourth place for melee singles.
Right.
Wait, what's not happening?
No, we were discussing prizes. How first and second were the only ones who got stuff for melee doubles. Because otherwise,
And PM doubles is just money, right?
pretty much. It's a lot of it, just money matches. Okay, so we have losers finals now with melee versus.
Yeah, so
Thor
this
versus
is...
a mini-map.
Yeah, I was talking to... I played a few games with friends like Thor. I was trying to, like, do Marth match and stuff, because he only really plays against, Moment, the Falco player. So, he doesn't really have much experience in the Marth matchup. Yeah, so especially his punish game is not nearly as refined, like, as it should be against Marth. But, in neutral, he has, he also needs to, like, work on some tools. Like, an up smash there, that wasn't really an optimal punish, because, like, you get nothing off of an up smash at 60%, so, except for, like, you put Marth in the air. But, so, what he wants to be looking for, that was a good edge guard. What he wants to be looking for is gaps in, like, if Minimouse starts throwing out forward airs, he wants to, like, look for gaps in his hitboxes, like, come in with a shine, or, like, a full hop down air or something, if he tries to, like, down tilt. Ooh, that was good there. Yep, Marth killer. Oh.
Oh, he had to jump.
Yeah, he... Oh, didn't get up. Don't go for it. Yeah, okay. I like that wave dash. I would have done that too. Cause like when a Marth is like hitting your shield from tipper distance, you want to like kind of get close to him so you can shield grab him if he like does a double fair.
Yeah.
But he was just a little bit too late on the wave dash, so. Oh, he's doing that wrong.
Really keep on that recovery.
Yeah, he's doing like a downward angle. All you have to do is do like straight horizontal. So like that's what I'm saying. Like a little like he has gaps in his knowledge, in his matchup knowledge. Okay. Ooh, I like that type B. He like backed away and faked going to the ledge. All right.
Yeah, Fox player, probably not the best option there.
It was an
At least
okay.
at least not the first time.
Yeah, I mean, last time he got poked for doing a side B,
Oh,
and
yeah.
so he wanted
true.
to mix it up. So he just chose the wrong angle, really.
I mean, I think side B was just it's the best option regardless, but a mini-mouse just happened to read it that time. I mean, sometimes as a player you have to try to read the best option because a lot of times that's the option that people are going to use because people know it's the best, and if you know it's the best, then you can't really react to that.
Yeah. Yeah. A lot of times. Yeah, and a lot of times the best option isn't always like just the textbook. Oh, okay.
Oh,
That was a sweet jab reset, but he kind of whipped the punish with the follow-up. That was a good double jump. If Thor had read his double jump, then he would have gotten shine, but picks up an up smash and uses it up. Yeah, that was bad. I don't know what that dash check was doing. He was probably reading the dash back. Like that.
yeah.
Yeah, Thor like wave dash back and then Mini caught him with the F smash, or forwards. The move where you're dashing it. Dash attack.
So right now, just trying to start a combo with Shine.
That was a sick regrab.
Cool.
Got jump. Okay. I like that up B. No jump. That's it, yeah.
Alright, a mini-mouse is going to take game one.
He kind of had, I mean, he didn't have to jump there. That could have been actually unintentional jump. It could have been DI, but, like, I don't know. Because that up throw had high percents. I'm kind of, like, unclear if they can follow up or not sometimes. So,
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
I would have gone to the platform there. He took like 50% when he didn't have to. Like
Yeah.
he like DI'd towards the platform and then he stopped. Because especially on Dreamland, like all Marth can do is up air or up tilt through the platform. He doesn't have like a big up smash punish or anything, so
Yeah. Yeah, I was actually talking when you guys were doing your map. I was talking about stages not to pick as when counter picking against Fox, and I think this is actually another stage that I wouldn't pick either when counter picking against Fox.
oh yeah, this is Marth's.
I mean, I know it's a source counter pick, but
okay, you missed the point there. Yeah, if Marth if you Marth killer and then Marth ends up on stage, you want to just like double jump back air or double jump up air or something. You just send him back off stage and reset the situation.
oh, absolutely.
He'll have a double jump, but you can work around that. Well, like worst case scenario is it ends up on ledge.
And on this stage, Fox has more than enough room to work with.
Oh yeah. Alright, go back there. Grab ledge or Marth killer. Okay. Yeah, that was good. That was good.
Just wait for him to get back on stage, react, up smash.
Good.
Okay.
He waited for the spot dodge.
Yeah.
And he held up shield too in case Mini like.
Now we're at 160, 178 now, but on Dreamland, that can last a little while.
That was a really bad thing. I would have just gone straight up, dude. Like, kinda, you have enough time to react. If you see Marth like charge in F smash, just don't. Or like his neutral beat, don't go into it. Okay, that's how he did. Good tech. Ooh, wow. Mini's so good at like, he'll like cross up your shield with a dash and like wait for a spot dodge and like come back and grab you. Ooh, that was sick. Bye, Mark.
But I feel like if one of the things that aminimouse is capitalizing on right now is with Thor, every time Thor uses up B, that gives aminimouse time to think, oh, how am I gonna react to the situation?
Yeah, it's you can cover multiple options, but yeah, if you can get that read, then Mini seems to be.
We have
Yeah.
a little up throw
That was
there.
Yeah, that was good. Yeah. The best way to escape Marth, you get in the hang of it. Yeah, that's pretty even.
Yeah, this is Dreamland, so
Yeah.
67% is definitely not going to be enough to kill this Fox yet.
No. You can easily get like 40% off of one opening with Fox against
Yeah.
Marth. Probably, maybe even more. Okay, he like backguarded him at low percents, or Thor did. Okay, you're good. No jump. That was okay. He did have a jump. I thought he jumped in.
Oh, nice get up.
Yeah.
Just waiting for aminimouse to come over, do what he needs to do, and then wait for the get up to say, hey, get off.
Yeah. Yeah. Aminimouse committed a bit too early. That was a really risky jump. Because if Aminimouse was a little closer, he could have asked him. Oh! Oh, I thought the fair would have hit.
Good tech by Thor, making sure he didn't get hit by another ball.
Yeah, that was actually excellent DI. Because he avoided the second fair, so that was really smart. If he had done that DI and then he like up there did something, he would have been sent on the platform. Then he could have continued, but yeah, that was really good DI. This is pretty much dead even.
Yeah?
One opening on either side could lead to death. Okay. Thor gets out of it.
Oh, okay, there's the grab.
Yeah, this is just a flowchart.
Oh,
Okay,
by the up B, but doesn't quite capitalize off of that.
Yeah, that.
Up smash, definitely not enough. We're on Dreamland. I've noticed Thor's counterpick working multiple times against just those
Really?
up smashes.
Yeah, when it comes to killing, Marth is gonna live longer, but At least off the top, but you can still send him up, like sideways enough so he won't live. Because Marth's horizontal recovery is not the best.
Okay.
Just does.
This is really close.
That was might have been
Back
the worst
there?
double jump ever, but he got back in. So. I don't know if that's gonna. Oh, he faked it. He faked
Nice.
it. I was like, oh my god, I don't know if that's gonna work, but he was one step ahead of me. That was.
All right. So Thor will
Oh
take
my
game
god,
2.
that was so smart. Damn.
That was nice.
He faked the Marth killer. That was so nice.
That was really nice.
Yeah,
We've had some really good sets here.
yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, Dave's super rule.
that shield angle. You kind of really have to be. You don't have a lot of time to think about it because it's like when you're recovering. Like the wrong option was to up B early, like aminimouse did. But I think he like honestly thought Thor messed up.
Yeah.
Because he had messed up earlier in the set, so... Or maybe that was conditioning. Maybe he messed up on purpose. To lead to something like that.
Definitely,
I don't know.
there was definitely some mind games going on there toward the end of that set.
I mean...
it worked out really well in Thor's favor.
Yeah. You could have... Okay. Yeah, I didn't read that.
Could be. Yeah, that worked.
I side B, I like never up B. So like... If there's one option... Oh. Yeah, so a mini tried to dash dance grab a spot dodge, but Thor just like mixed up his spot dodge with just a normal grab. So if he grabs first, he's obviously gonna. What? Right. Oh, he missed the out cancel, but it doesn't matter. I would have up there, but he was wanting to fair him send him off stage, so I can respect that. We're all giving snowflakes.
Yeah. Oh, red to get him.
Yeah, Thor just faced right out of it.
Yeah.
That was good.
But 117 is a percentage that you really do not want to be at on Yoshi.
No, one up smash and you're dead. It probably doesn't even have a tipper. And every single like one of my cereals is gonna send you off stage. So
Man, though, I can't help but feel like though when every time he does up B, like a part of me, like I mean, there's situations where up B works, up B's good, but I feel like there's a lot of times when he up B's when he could be side B, and it would be the more practical option.
yeah, it's really just it's like a mix-up game. You can't up B all the time. You can't side B all the time.
Yeah, there's also a lot of mix up there too.
Yeah, it's
like you want to keep your opponent guessing to a certain extent.
Yeah, exactly. And sometimes he just gets wrong. So Thor brought that back. He was down like almost the entire stock, but
Thor's he's bringing this back.
Yeah, he just can't take too much percent. He can't get into that like range where fair sends him off stage, or like down tilt sends him off stage, or like nair sends him off stage because and it's kind of that's percent is really low on Yoshi's especially. See that time up B worked out for him. Because Mini tried to cover the side B.
Oh, nice neutral air.
I thought that aspect was good.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, that angle is.
He was at a high percentage though, so I'd say actually no harm, no foul.
Yeah, that's true. He was at a high percentage, and he was at a bad spot. So
if he would have went down, probably would have gotten forward smash or something like that.
He double jumped like just in time.
No, this is a very big game for both of these players.
Yeah.
Whoever wins this depends on who has like the pressure next set.
Right. So it's 1-1 right now, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mango always says that game 3 is the most important because you're either up, or game 2 is most important. Never mind.
Oh, Foxfire worked there. Definitely couldn't have side beat that.
That was probably the worst episode. He gets lucky. He got a reverse up air. Oh, he double. I think he didn't need the double jump. I think he might have double jumped. No, 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 no. It's so much time to react. Sometimes it's just in your head that you need to do that recovery though. So, and I've been there, so I understand. But in the perfect world, you want to react to stuff like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
And there's nothing Mini can do except charge that that neutral beat more. So it's okay though. He can still even it up. Although he will be playing on Mini's counter pick.
Okay. I mean, I can see how the stage would benefit both characters, but I think the character more affected by this is Fox. I feel like Fox has the advantage on the stage.
It's tough to say because
It is, but
like if Marth like up throws Fox onto a platform at like 50%, he's dead because you tip her everywhere. So Marth can get early kills, but Fox it's like just more volatile, pretty much. That's what the stage is. That's true about a lot of matchups too. It's not just Marth Fox. Up there, right? Maybe even back air would have been good as a mix up to send Marth off stage. Because if Mini tries smash GI in, then he's gonna have terrible DI for a back air. So. And that's a mix up me and oh my god. Okay, he was fast falling. That's why I didn't grab large. Both these players have clubbing follow-ups. Good choice. Alright, nice.
that was a good side B. Alright,
Nice. That'll
I'll smash, but we have Fox at 103 though, so this is pretty much almost a stock lead.
yeah. I mean, anything can happen though. One grab, one opening. Nice.
Oh,
Get the
okay.
edge cancel. Sometimes it's better to like.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
That was almost a 0 to death.
You know, Marth has a good forward smash. Fox also has forward smash. Sometimes it can be something.
Forwarder, yep.
Yeah.
It's a really close game.
Yep. Stock for stock.
Oh. Could have maybe capitalized on that missed L cancel.
Yeah, he could have. But it's hard to react to someone who's in an L cancel. Good dash stance. Right. Mini's doing these forward air, down air.
Oh.
I think he could have done it, especially if Thor. Oh, okay. He was styling. That was some style. Oh, I like that. That was some good movement. Down air? Okay.
Oh,
Wow, he got Roy's on.
Such a smart attack by
Yeah.
Thor, making sure he can't hit by that forward time. But he gets hit by that utility though. Through that stock. Oh, thought up there was a kill there. Just didn't feel it. Not quite enough though.
Yeah. Good DI. those Shy Guys almost killed. That shield poked. Yeah, good time. Mini didn't wait it out. Oh, wow. That was probably supposed to...
Lands on Randall!
Yeah, it didn't help him out though.
No, but... it was still
He
high.
got, he got his double jump back. He had an opportunity to go to the ledge. Just looking like zip line.
Oh, wow. I'm surprised he didn't grab that ledge.
That was close. Wait. Yeah, that was it.
Yep, that was
At first second I thought Mini yes. No.
So it looks like you have a grand finals match with the Minimouse.
Yeah. Thor made some
How
adjustments.
surprising.
Yeah, this is kind of what I was expecting. Mini beat Thor in winners, so
So we got Thor though taking third place. Definitely a very solid showing.
yeah, pretty good.
Alright.